United States may be home to country music, but many international artists have made their mark on the genre. While the genre was born in the United States, many international artists like Tommy Emmanuel, Ringo Starr, and the Rolling Stones continue to perform it. But there's another hideous name and character to add to that list: the legendary John Lennon. There are a lot of reasons why this can be really surprising. However, Lennon's brief foray into country music ultimately demonstrates that he was first and foremost a musician. Listening to Lennon's 1974 country song, one could think it doesn't have a country vibe. But with its steel guitar, American roots lyrics, and tale, it is undeniably John Lennon's most country-influenced solo effort. The song was inspired by a crazy weekend in Los Angeles in 1974 that John Lennon and Harry Nilsson shared respectively. According to John Lennon's interview with David Sheff for All We Are Saying, the album was created with the intention of writing a song. "You know, seeing as we're stuck in this vodka bottle together, we might as well try and do something," Lennon put it. Songs from the Great American Songbook and Nilsson's folk singer-songwriter approach have made him famous. Consequently, it should come as no surprise that Lennon and Nilsson conjured up something really American and rather country. The words, "more than the steel guitar," are the most definitively country feature of the song. Nilsson claims that Lennon wanted to write a song that was very American. Nilsson confirmed the claim by saying, "When Lennon was writing Old Dirt Road, he said, 'Harry, what's a good Americanism?' Attempting to shovel smoke with a pitchfork in the wind, and it's better than a mudslide, Mom. When the dry spell came are two more lines that contain Lennon's Americanism, together with the title. Just to reiterate, it is not a strong country hymn. So, it's more of a fusion of country, blues, rock, and even some jazz. The song's country-influenced melody and lyrics aren't lost in the mix. But John Lennon and Nilsson did write the song. Ultimately, it's Lennon's most country-tinged solo effort. Although it is one of his lesser-known songs, it is a fantastic listen,